Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I'm going to be talking about the Filipino or Filipina hair. First thing you need to know about this type of hair that it is gotten from the Philippines, like from the hairs of the Filipina women. Another important factor is that it is silky in texture and as well as also coarse in texture, and it's suitable for women with the African textured hair. 3. Because of the coarse nature of this hair, it tends to hold coils better and then allows for dyeing, bleaching, and coloring very often. Okay, it allows it and it's able to hold it and still remain the same. So it takes curls really nicely, as well as dyes, bleaching, and coloring. All of this can be done to this hair without any much damage done. Now, as we all know, when I'm talking about Filipino hair, what I'm referring to at the top of the list is the donor range of hair. I've already addressed the donor hair, and of course, I'm just looking into the types, the origin and the sources of where these donor hairs are gotten from. Okay, so the donor hairs, we are all familiar with the types of donor hairs, which are three. You have the wavy, the coily, and the straight hairs. So it's the same thing with Filipino hairs. These are the major types of hairs that these women are done or are known to have: wavy, coily, and straight hairs. Another important interesting factor that I want you to take note of is that Filipino hairs weigh more. They weigh more. Okay, what do I mean by this? It simply means that when you weave this hair, they tend to have a fuller feel or a fuller look. Okay, they are fuller in size than other types of hairs, which simply means that when you wig this hair, two bundles and a closure is very okay for it. It's suitable, it's going to be lovely, it's going to look like a 300 grams hair or close to. But with other types of hair, you may require more than two bundles. You may need to use three bundles and a closure, or 250 grams and above. But with Filipino hair, you can use two bundles and do away with a lie, and let your customers know that it's 250 or 270 grams, because it would actually look really full. It will look so full. That's just a tip, but it's left for you to actually let them know or not. It's most likely that when you weigh this hair, it would actually weigh 20 grams extra. The hair is tangle free except in certain weather conditions. And in these scenarios, all that is needed is for you to wash, brush out, air dry, and use a good conditioning hair serum. The shine always remains, the silky texture always remains after several wash attempts have been done on this type of hair. I would advise that if you are looking for a good quality type of hair, that you look the Filipina way. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video.